Ampule medication preparation with simulated ampule. The supplies needed for the ampule medication preparation include 2 ml syringe, filter needle, alcohol wipes, Practi-Furosemide 2 ml, lure lock combination stopper, gauze, ampule breaker, sharps container. To begin, carefully prepare the syringe and needle. Check for dosage, expiry date, and rule out defects. Tap to displace any fluid from top to bottom. Sanitize the neck of the ampule with alcohol wipes. Secure the head and neck with either an ampule breaker or gauze, and snap to open. Dispose the glass into the sharps container. Draw out 2 ml of the simulated furosemide. Check for air bubbles and remove if present. Either recap using the 1-scoop technique and discard into the sharps container, or discard the filter needle directly into the sharps container. Cover the syringe with the lure lock combination stopper. The simulated furosemide is now ready for labeling, storage or use in training.